Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel where we share insights, tips, and tricks for starting and growing successful businesses. Today, we'll be talking about an exciting venture, starting a retail business. In just 8 minutes, I'll walk you through 8 simple steps to help you get your dream retail store up and running. Let's dive right in. Step 1, identify your niche. The first step to starting a retail business is to identify your niche. This means finding a specific market or product category that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Your niche should ideally have a healthy demand, low competition, and good profit margins. Take the time to research potential niches, evaluate their viability, and choose one that best aligns with your interests and expertise. Step 2, create a business plan. Now that you've identified your niche, it's time to create a business plan. This is a crucial step as it helps you map out your business's future and serves as a blueprint for success. Your business plan should include an executive summary, company description, market analysis, organizational structure, product line, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Keep in mind that your business plan should be flexible as it will likely evolve as your business grows and adapts to market changes. Step 3, choose your business structure. Next up is choosing your business structure. This decision will affect your business's legal and tax obligations, so it's essential to choose wisely. Common options include sole proprietorships, partnerships, limited liability companies, or corporations. Consult with a legal or financial professional to help you determine the best structure for your retail business. Step 4, register your business and obtain licenses. With your business structure in place, you'll need to register your business and obtain any necessary licenses and permits. Start by registering your business name and applying for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. You'll also need to research and obtain any required local, state, and federal licenses and permits to operate your retail store legally. Step 5, secure funding. To kickstart your retail business, you'll need some capital. Your business plan's financial projections will help you determine how much funding you need. Possible funding sources include personal savings, loans from family and friends, bank loans, or even crowdfunding. Weigh the pros and cons of each option and choose the one that best suits your needs and financial situation. Step 6, find your ideal location. Location, location, location. The success of your retail business greatly depends on where you set up shop. Factors to consider when choosing a location include foot traffic, visibility, accessibility, and competition. Don't forget to also consider the cost of rent, utilities, and any renovations or customizations your store may require. Step 7, source products and establish supplier relationships. Once you've nailed down your location, it's time to source products and establish relationships with your suppliers. Reach out to wholesalers, distributors, and manufacturers in your niche and negotiate the best possible prices and terms. Building strong relationships with suppliers will help ensure consistent inventory and the ability to quickly adapt to market changes. Step 8, design and set up your store. With product source, it's time to design and set up your store. First, create a store layout that maximizes space, encourages customer flow, and showcases your products effectively. Invest in quality fixtures, displays, and signage to create a welcoming and professional atmosphere. Don't forget to incorporate branding elements such as your logo and color scheme to make your store visually appealing and memorable. Step 9, develop a marketing strategy. To drive traffic to your store and generate sales, you'll need a solid marketing strategy. Identify your target audience and tailor your marketing efforts to reach them effectively. Utilize a mix of online and offline marketing tactics such as a Mighty Sites website, social media advertising, email marketing, print ads, and local events. Consider offering promotions, discounts, or loyalty programs to attract and retain customers. Step 10, hire and train staff. Your employees play a crucial role in your retail business's success. Hire individuals who are passionate about your niche, possess excellent customer service skills, and share your vision for the business. Invest time and resources in training your staff to ensure they're knowledgeable about your products and can provide top-notch customer experiences. And that's just about it. And there you have it, 8 simple steps to start your very own retail business. Remember, starting a retail store is just the beginning of your entrepreneurial journey. Continue to learn, adapt, and grow to stay ahead of the competition and achieve lasting success. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more invaluable tips on starting and growing your business. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your retail venture.